Meet the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. This mid-range marvel packs a punch with its sleek 6.7-inch AMOLED display, offering vibrant colors and sharp visuals. The build quality is top-notch thanks to Gorilla Glass Victus Plus and an aluminum frame, giving it a premium feel without the premium price. Under the hood, the S24 FE features Samsung's Exynos 2400E chip. This means snappy performance for all your apps and games, plus better heat management with its larger vapor chamber. Say goodbye to lag and overheating. The camera setup is impressive too. A 50MP primary sensor with optical image stabilization, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP telephoto lens ensure you're ready for any shot. Plus, Samsung's AI-powered ProVisual engine takes your photos to the next level with enhanced image processing. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE delivers a top-tier experience at a mid-range price. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade without breaking the bank. Want to feel like you're holding a flagship? The S24 FE has got you covered.